Hi, ako si Alan Andal. Andito ngayon tayo sa AMX Raceway sa Rosario, Batangas. Nagaganap ngayong araw ang EJ Auto Works Track Day and Car Meet. Tara na, panoodin natin to.
Engine wakes up in the morning light. Every drop, ready for the ride. Italian blood racing in my veins. Power in the throttle when I call its name. Smooth and strong, no hesitation. Oil that's built for pure performance. From city streets to open roads, we roll with confidence. Any lubricant, feel the difference. Every mile, every moment, we move with excellence. Hot or cold, still dominant. Power stays consistent. Any lubricant, we drive heavy lubricant. Feel the difference, every mile, every moment. We move with excellence, hot or cold. Still dominant, power stays consistent. Any lubricant, we drive beyond.
I'm JS Tong from EJ Auto Works and Boosted Engineering. Dito tayo sa AMX Raceway. Ito yung event natin ngayon, Track and Chill. So ang gaganapin natin ngayon is Track Day. May mga mini games tayo. Then pagdating ng hapon, meron tayong car meet, diesel cars and gas. So medyo iniba natin, nilagyan natin ng twist. Meron tayong mamayang palaro na mini games, 60 foot, best in 60 foot. Bali sa mga umattend, meron tayong selective drivers na sasampa sa iisang kotse lang ang sasampa nila. So maglalaban-laban sila sa 60 foot. Then, meron din tayong best of 201 para sa mga stock turbo. And meron din tayong best 201 sa mga modified turbo. Bali, itong kauna-unang event ng EJ Auto Works. Yun, nagpapasalamat kayo at maraming nakasuporta.
And pressure, we don't back down. Metal gears moving, but the sound stays calm. Protection solid, like a fortress strong. Engine breathes easy all day long. Long rides, no problem. High RPM, still freedom. From scooters to the big machines, and it keeps the motion clean. Any lubricant, feel the difference. Every mile, every moment, we move with excellence. Hot or cold, still dominant. Power stays consistent. Any lubricant, we drive. Every lubricant. Feel the difference, every mile, every moment. We move with excellence, hot or cold. Still dominant, power stays consistent. Any lubricant we drive.